AGN Morning Update, May 29th, 2025. Good morning. What happens when global investors start pulling away from U.S. markets? Malaysia might just be the surprise winner. Today, why Malaysian assets are catching global attention. A sudden resignation by Elon Musk from Trump's administration and fresh capital flows eyed by the UAE into Southeast Asia. Let's get into the full story. Armando, take us there.
Thanks, Wanda. Let's start in Malaysia, where a top CIMB executive says the country is poised to benefit from global shifts in capital. With U.S. fiscal and trade uncertainty rising, global funds are already pouring over 200 million ringgit Malaysia into Malaysian equities this quarter. CIMB's CEO Novan Amarudin says Malaysia ticks all the boxes: political stability, strong domestic demand, and strategic reform under Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim. Tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon are doubling down with billions in infrastructure investments. And with interest rate cuts possibly on the horizon, the timing couldn't be better. Meanwhile, in the US, Elon Musk has officially stepped down from Trump's Department of Government Efficiency. His brief but controversial role aimed at slashing federal spending has now ended, raising fresh questions about the administration's internal stability. And in Asia, the UAE's Minister of Investment says Southeast Asia is still vastly underinvested. Speaking at the Fortune ASEAN GCC Forum, he highlighted Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia as top destinations for sovereign wealth portfolios, especially in energy, transport, and logistics. But there's a catch: a major mismatch between available capital and viable large-scale projects. The UAE wants to shift its focus from oil-heavy investments to sectors like financial services, retail, and infrastructure.
Malaysia is clearly emerging as a hotspot for global capital, but only if it can match opportunity with investor readiness. Tomorrow, we'll unpack Asia's growing role in renewable energy exports. Thanks for watching. Follow AGN across all platforms and visit agn.alps-holdings.com to get the news straight to your inbox. Until next time, stay informed with AGN.